So for 7.10 review, this first questions, for example, is asking you to add or combine the like terms. So all you have to do is that see these two terms, 2x minus 5x are like terms. So 2 minus 3 is negative 3x. There is no other term that you can combine the 3 with. So 3 would be as it is. Here, when you combine the like term, you have to see if there is any like terms in it. X cubed doesn't have any like term. 5 square also doesn't have any other like term. 7x and 12 are also individual terms. So you just rewrite it as your answer because you cannot combine any term with any other term. Here for question worth 300. X cube and there is another x cube. No, there is no other. I think this is x square, sorry. So x square here. So x square plus 4x square. These are like terms. You got it as 5x square. 3 as it is, and then the negative 2x here on because there is no other x term with it. 7x and 3x, when you actually doing this problem, you can rewrite this without the bracket. So when you do this problem, you can rewrite 7x plus minus 2 plus 3x minus 9. Now you're going to combine 7x and 3x as 10x, negative 9 and negative 2 as negative 11. So first you want to rewrite, and then you're going to add the like terms. Rewrite without bracket. So 6x square 9x plus 8 minus 4x square. Combine the like terms. So 6x square minus 4x square would give you 2x square. There is no other term to combine with x term, so 9x as it is. And then 8 would be as it is. Next, you're going to again rewrite this without the bracket. So 4x square minus 11x cube plus 8x plus 7x cube. So first of all, you need to write down the highest degree term in the front. So 11x cube, negative 11x cube plus 7x cube is negative 4x cube. You write that in the front. X square is just by itself. There is no other x term. So just write that. And 8x as it is. Now we are going to do the adding polynomial, letter B. 8m plus 5 plus m plus 4. All you have to do is that you're going to add 8m plus m, that is 9m. 5 plus 4, and that's 9. For this one, you write the m square term in the front always, but you have to see if there is any other m square term in it that I can combine with 9m square. So I see that there is no other m square term. So I write the 9m square in the front. I see that 5m minus 4m is 1m. So 5m minus 4m is 1m. And then I see that there is no other term that I can combine negative 7 with. So I write negative 7 as it is. Again, for the next one, you're going to rewrite or just think about this. X square plus 2x plus 3 plus x square minus x minus 4. X square with x square, so 1x square. 1x square is 2x square. 2x minus x is x. And 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So that's the answer for this one. Now coming to the subtraction and letter A, subtraction. Whenever you do the subtraction, first you need to do the distribution for the negative inside. And once you rewrite this, you have to make sure you distribute the negative inside. And that's going to give you 9p plus 2 minus 4p minus 10. 9p minus 4p is 5p, and 2 minus 10 is negative 8. Next is subtracting polynomial, again letter A, worth 200 points, $200. Again, you're going to distribute the negative inside by using this arrow. And rewrite it s square minus 6s plus 5 minus s plus 1. Combining the like terms, I don't have any other s square term, so I write the s square term as it is. Negative 6s minus s is negative 7s. 5 plus 1 is 6. For the next one, worth 300 points. Again, if it is a subtraction sign, you have to do this part, otherwise your question will be wrong. You have to distribute the negative inside the bracket. You can rewrite it 4x squared minus 11x cubed minus 8x plus 7, or see, I did the mistake too. It should not be plus 7, it should be negative 7x cubed. So we have to be very careful on that. Always write the highest degree. Highest degree I can see that is negative 11x cubed. Negative 11x cubed minus 7x cubed is total is negative 18x cubed. Next is should be x squared term. I don't have any other x squared term, so I write this 4x squared as it is, and then I don't have any other x term to combine with this one, so I write negative 8x as it is. Subtracting polynomial letter B, and I'm doing this problem first. Rewriting it 2m plus 5 and plus m plus 7, because you're distributing the negative inside. So when you distribute, the m times negative m is positive m. M times negative 7 is positive 7. When you combine the 3m and 1m and 2m, 2m plus 1m is 3m, and 7 plus 5 is 12. For the next one, again, you're going to distribute the negative sign by distributing it. So it's negative m squared minus 2m. Always write the biggest degree, the negative m squared in the front. And then the m term would be 9m minus 2m is 7m. See, I could not find any other like term than m squared, so I just keep the m squared in the front. But 9m and negative 2m are like terms, so I could combine them as, so 9m minus 2m as 7m. And this negative 7 also cannot be combined with any other term, so I write the negative 7 at the last. Next, we are going to again distribute this negative sign. You can see here is negative y cubed plus 5y and plus 2, because when you distribute this negative, these become negative, positive, positive. Negative 3y cubed minus y cubed is negative 4y cubed. 8y minus 5y, actually plus 5y because you're distributing and this become positive 5y, and that's 13y. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Make sure you write answer in standard form. So that's why we are always writing it into the biggest term first and then the least highest degree and then constant.